Hello, this is Ruhina Tasneem. Today I am going to demonstrate my mini API tester project. So in this is the process of verifying that an application programming interface and ensuring it's reliable, secure and performs correctly for all possible requests and responses. API testing focuses on the business logic layer of an applications. Here API takes at the endpoints and validate the responses such as status codes, data header and response time. So I have used here Windows 10 and used with the built with the Python and the Custom Tkinter, and then adapted the GUI. Here the light mode as well as its dark mode. You can see this here, what are all these there here, request and then URL methods as well as methods and the header, the body as well as response and save history and the different types of tabs here. What I will do it here first. So first I will take the URL for the response and different types of methods I will take it here. So that methods are different get to, post, put as well as delete. Okay, I'll just I'll copy the URL and then I'll paste here. The data is stored in the form of either in the JSON as well as the text format here. Okay, so yeah, the features here, the graphical user interface GUI built with the Tkinter and the user friendly layout to quick API testing. HTTP request here supports as I said to you, get, post, put and delete methods. Okay, and then we are taking the body content, URL field already given, and then headers and body. So enters as JSON and or a text, plain text. Okay, automatically format JSON input for reliable, support sending raw payloads. Then here pasting to the body and then I'll press the send request. A response will display. This response will display in the terms of status code, header and body clearly. Here what is the status code? It will show the 200, 201 and the response time. Okay, response time, what is the response times I have taken, and it will export and we can see the history, request and response history. Saves every API request and response automatically. Okay, then likewise I can give the different types of methods and it will can store the result in the text format as well. Database here SQLite, file storage here JSON format, and then timestamp entries for each request. Okay, we can view the history, browse the history as well as clear the history directly from the app. Clear field buttons quickly reset all the input and the output fields to make it blank. And the different types of requests I am using here and just taking the fields. Okay, taking the field as a body format here and then I will put it in the body section. And this Python modules and installation commands uses in this project here GUI, this Tkinter as the pip installation request as well as a pip pillow. So once it is get entered and then I will send the request and it shows the request status and the response time. You can see here what is the response time of this one. And then I can weave in the history. the history will store at the top level. The recent one is at the top level. What is the method and what is the response time? Okay. This packaging and distributions, what I have used here. Here tool is first PyInstaller. What it does, what is the purpose of this one? Converts the Python script to exe and or .app. The next method also I am taking here. And the requirement text. Track the dependencies here. The purpose. Okay. Date and time and snap the management. The custom tinker, the modern and GUI for the main window. And see the result at the top, the history. What's the recent history here? It's recorded here. Okay. This is the light mode and the dark mode. You can see in the both the types. And that the different types of request, I have used the different types of tabs here. You can see that. Yes. Yeah. And also I have built at the desktop icon API. You can see over there, once it is get clicked over here and directly it will open the window. API tester window. Yeah, this is the light mode. Whatever you are suitable, you can convert it to dark mode as well as light mode. And the different types of methods, get, post, and according to my URL request. Yes, body and the header and the different types of tabs here. Okay, this is the response time. What is the status code? We can see here response time as well as different for different types of requests, different tabs here. Yes. Yeah. Once it is over, if you want